my name is Alexandra Hochegger and I am welcoming you to Hammond Bar, Vienna. We are a small neighborhood-friendly wonderland and we follow the motto good mood, good drinks and a good time. We chose Lyres because of the depth and structure in the range. We have so much more possibilities with our new low ABV menu, which gives us so much more possibility than we had a few years back. So since we use the bigger product range of Lyres and non-alcoholic spirits, we found that we can please more tastes, please more experiences for everyone. The inspiration for the code red was kind of a warning sign, so we wanted it to stand out and be present in our menu because we had a big increase in non-alcoholic low ABV drinkers and we wanted to give them the same experience we do for our classic cocktail drinkers. So for the code red, we start with the Lyre's Dry London as our heart. Then we add the Italian Spritz to accommodate those dry juniper notes with a little bit of bitter and fruitiness. For a little bit of depth, we use a homemade pandan cordial, which gives it this nice citric freshness. Add a little ice. For the grapefruit note in the Dry London, we also add a little bit of grapefruit juice to bring that forth. Top it with soda to make it a spritz. Give that a small twirl. And garnish with a slice of cucumber. And the code red is done. I'm looking forward to welcoming you at Hammond Bar, Vienna.